Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 9th July 2025. The Q1 earnings season, which begins with TCS announcing numbers on July 10th, is being seen as a crossover quarter, marking a transition from the low single-digit earnings growth seen in the early financial year 25 to a more sustained double-digit trajectory over the next 4 quarters. Oil marketing companies are leading this earnings recovery, with one firm, Paradeep Phosphates, anticipating gains exceeding 2,500%. HPCL is also expected to post significant growth driven by improved refining margins and marketing performance. ICAI Prudential AMC, India's second largest asset manager, has filed for an IPO with SEBI, aiming to raise up to Rs 10,000 crore through an offer for sale by Prudential Corporation Holdings. The IPO, managed by 18 merchant bankers, will now infuse capital into ICICI Prudential AMC but allows Prudential PLC to divest part of its stake. India is set to roll out a battery passport system to give electric vehicle owners detailed digital information about the batteries in use. The system will digitally record each battery's specifications, including its source, composition, performance, life cycle, and supply chain, and embed this data in a QR code. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has issued FAQs on guidance note for financial statements of non-corporate entities, effective for accounting periods beginning on or after April 1, 2024. It establishes a minimum disclosure requirement while allowing for the inclusion or substitution of line items relevant to specific industries, ensuring both standardization and flexibility. In line with ICAI's engagement standards, the document emphasizes the auditor's responsibility in reporting non-compliance by clients and provides clarity on whether such non-adherence requires a modified audit opinion. Lupin has signed a $50 million licensing deal with Zentiva for the global commercialization of its biosimilar, targeting markets like the US, Canada, and Europe. Pune's office sector is set to surpass 10 million square feet and establish a new leasing benchmark in 2025. In the first half of 2025, the city recorded its highest gross leasing volume at 6.8 million square feet, ranking it among the top 4 office markets in India, alongside Bengaluru, Mumbai, and Delhi NCR. Pune is also expected to cross the historic high of 15 million square feet in new office supply by year-end. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.